Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
There's a couple of riverboats.
We're along the Mississippi River.
Sure of the names of them.
The fish just popped up right there.
In a town called LeClaire, Iowa.
But we're at an event called what? Cars and Coffee?
Yeah, I think.
Cars and Coffee, something like that.
Yeah,
So
it's a feel-good song.
there'll be some
Put your hands together.
cars here. There's an old Ford pickup.
I'd like to dedicate this to my mom. Any person in a little bitty town.
And we're early.
If you're that different person in your group of friends, you know, stick out like a sore
Chevy.
thumb or a big booty.
56, I guess.
It's a Chevy Nomad. I think it might be a 57.
How we doing? Pretty nice day, huh?
I think this is about a 1964 Ford Falcon Sprint. And you'll see there's quite a few Mustangs here today.
So you buy the engine and get a little car with it, right?
Right.
Well, here comes a couple of more cars. And there looks like a Chevy Super Sport, early 70s. The one that just to the left of it, I believe, is a late 60s Chevy Malibu. Help me out with any of these in the comments. Help me identify these cars and what year they are.
You guys? Oh, Subaru. Sweet. There's an old Bronco. Used to have eyelashes on the front lights. It's 55 Buick.
Look at that. Why does it stick out there? That's just right here.
I found out this is actually a 1956 Buick.
Roadmaster.
Roadmaster.
It says there, yeah.
This here's an old Ford rat rod pickup turned into a rat rod. And he told me that was a diesel, some kind of a special diesel engine. And sits pretty low. It's actually sitting on the ground now. When he pulled in, I noticed it was riding low, and when he parked it, he just dropped it right to the cement. They made those rims when his dad. See the exhaust there for the diesel. Kind of a cool old rat rod pickup. Next to it here is a Chevy pickup. Pretty cool truck. I don't know, early 60s. And there's a Dodge Viper there. Pretty cool cars. And this caught my eye. It's an old Ford there, 30 something or another. And a red Mustang that was, I'm going to walk over there and go by it, check it out. It's in pretty darn good shape. I'd say dang near mint condition. It's a 68, I believe. There wasn't a dirt speck, scratch. Everything shined. I'd say better than showroom perfect. I gave it a good look over, but I didn't give it a fine-tooth comb. Very nice paint job on there too. This yellow Ford's got a jump seat in the back. Now here in pulls a Pontiac Grand Prix, I believe it is, two-door coupe. Pretty darn nice condition there, mid 60s there somewheres. Here's a 2005 Toyota Matrix with custom taillights. This is Pappy's son's car that he brought.
But I've been pulled over for underload. My hella horns are in
It's
there.
got some custom things in the interior here.
That's where we are, LeClaire, Iowa. Home of the American Pickers.